हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सबका प्रमोद पाठक मार्शल आर्ट एकेडमी में स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आपको मेरे चैनल पे मिलते हैं मार्शल आर्ट सेल्फ डिफेंस के बेहतरीन टेक्निक जो काफी सिंपल और इफेक्टिव होते हैं। आज मैं सेल्फ डिफेंस का 4 टेक्निक लेकर के आपके बीच आ रहा हूँ जो आम जीवन में काफी इफेक्टिव है। डे टू डे लाइफ, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर डे टू डे लाइफ बिकॉज these all techniques are very useful for each and every person. Let's start. First of all, the collar is the collar. Then you just put hand here and second hand take this way. Move. This way. Again you see, hold here. Then second one, this one. Move this one. The second one is put here and come here. This one. Again you see here. Put here one. A second one here. Then second this way. You can hit here. Here. Very good. Okay. Somebody try to hold your waist. So how can you defend this one? Again, one hit here. Okay. Hit this way. This way. Again, you shoot here, then you just here, and you here this way. You see, third technique. Come here. Just one. You hit here, then push here, then again this hand you move here. Just hold here and move, and just put here this way. And lock here. Okay, this is the lock, very powerful lock. You can see here, very powerful lock. Neck is back. Here you see, elbow break. This is the very powerful lock. You here. Then again you hit here. Again you can hit here. Then move here. So it's a very powerful technique. Yes. See again, slow motion. 1, 2. This way. Again here. Then put this way. Again here. Put here. This way. Lock is here. And again hit here. So this is very powerful lock. This is very powerful lock. You see here. If I raise this hand, so both elbow joints will break. And same neck will also break. So this is very powerful. You see here. And again you hit this way. Again can hit in this part here. This is very powerful. This one, okay, here, this way, and this here, again here. I put this way. You lock here. You can see this is the lock. This is the lock again. You can put here again. Neck here, break here, shoulder. Your shoulder break, elbow break, and neck break. This is the very powerful. I can hit here. Now, it's the number 4th technique. It's very important. Very important technique. You see very careful. Suppose that everybody is hold your. So you hit here, okay, and just you put this way here. So what happened? Both of the elbow joint will break. I join my hands and push this way. Then both of elbow joint can break. Then second, third here. You see that here, and just put your fingers inside. Then opponent will start crying. So friends, have you seen this technique? Very important technique it was. Again, you see how it is effective. Suppose that somebody is hold your collar. So don't worry about it. Be confident and just hit his neck. Okay, his neck. Then suddenly you put him outside this way. Again plug and you just put this way. Suddenly, joint, both of joint, elbow joint. Just press. I start press here up. Start praying. Then suddenly go forward and just put your finger in this way, this side, collarbone. This side, and just press inside. Then start crying. So it is very effective and very easy technique. So friends, now again I'm going to repeat this technique. Say one more time because it is very very important. So each and everybody see properly, then understand how to just hold the both of hands and how to break their elbow joints and how to put your fingers in collarbone inside. You see, again, slow motion. Hold here, again hit here, then from outside, please grab, then again some. Yeah, hold it this one. Adjust both of the joint. You see, elbow joint. Adjust, put inside your hand, push this way. Start trying. Adjust, put and up. Start trying because both of elbow joints going to break. And suddenly just you want to put your fingers in collar. This is very very effective technique. Now number 5th technique. It is also very very important. You see, somebody is just tight your collar. How to remove you from the collar? Start that is hold your collar. So it's very easy. 5-6 techniques here. Suddenly you start talking by just you lead me. If he's just angry mood or something, then suddenly you go back to here this way. Start here. Okay? Here. Same. Again with this one. Start talking. Just suddenly yes and hit here. Okay? Next technique, it is also very very important. You see here. Suppose that somebody hold your collar. So you just see here, hold here and hit here. 1. Then second, see here, 1. Again, 1 here, hold here and hit here. Okay? Then second one, just come here. So just put here and just hit here. Understood the meaning? Come here. Again. Here, put here and just this way. Here. So these all techniques are very very important for each and every person. So friends, if you like my channel and all the videos, so please don't forget the like and share the videos and just subscribe my channel and don't forget hit the bell icon and just write down your valuable comments in your right box, because comments box is for you all, because whatever you want to write you can write, all are free. If you like my videos, just you write down, sir, I like your videos, video was very very impressive or something. If you don't like my videos, you all are free to write down, sir, I don't like your videos because your videos is just like rubbish things or something. So friends, again I'll come with new videos and I'll make you happy, because all videos are very very important, because it's my mission. I want to make all over the world people be confident. If you learn martial art, definitely you have confidence, and you become confident, then you can fight with anybody. Nobody can harm you. So friends, again I'll come with you. So thank you for watching.